Hey, look at Eric. Look at Eric. Look at Eric. You getting him?
Yeah.
Can you see? Say something to him, Eric.
Karma, look at me. Hey, Karma.
Where's Karma?
Wave, look at you with your party hat.
Wave again.
Wave.
Wave.
Oh, he wants his thing.
Okay, stay right there, sweetie. Stay.
Come
Stay.
here.
I want to get your cake. Dylan, you gonna watch him?
Yes, I'm going to watch him.
Hold on. Wait. Now, before you eat it, Eric's got to get a picture of it. Before you eat it. Whoa. This is Carmen's birthday cake. Get a picture of his cake. Okay,
Look at that. There's your cake.
There's your cake, Carmen. Here, we'll take this off now. Come here. I got to get it off you. Okay. Wait.
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 No.
Come here, Carmen. Look, we got to do it this way so Eric can see you. Come here. Come over here.
I can see him.
Okay.
I got him.
Okay. Go crazy. Happy birthday to Karma. Happy birthday, dear Karma. Happy birthday, dear Karma. Happy birthday to you.
Go all out, Karma. Go all out. That cake's really good.
Here, I'm going to take that off. Go crazy.
Of your life.
Go crazy, Karma. Karma, go crazy.
Go crazy.
Go crazy, Karma. It's your birthday. Look at your song.
Ooh.
Look, Karma, here. What's a cake?
Ooh.
Eat that cake, baby.
Oh, yeah.
He goes, that's kind of big.
Chow down, Karma. It's your birthday. Karma.
Want some more frosting? Come on. Want some more frosting? Karma, it's your birthday. Karma, it's your birthday. Looky, Karma, it's your birthday. It's your birthday. It's your birthday. You like your cake? You like your cake? That's Karma's cake. Look. Is my puppy spoiled or what?
Mhm.
I gotta get a present in front of him. I'm gonna get. Bill will be good. Ow! Ooh, that hurt. Ow.
Oh.
Just keep eating your cake, Karma.
Yeah. Let him go.
Karma, look at your present. Karma got a present. He got doggy news. Looky. Karma got a present.
Karma got doggy
Get the present. It's right here.
No, Karma.
You like your cake? Do you like your cake, sweetie? You like your cake? He goes, ooh, I'm getting tired of that frosting. It's pretty sweet, Mom. Here, look. You want the cake part, don't ya?
Yeah.
Happy birthday, Karma.
Nummy,
we
nummy,
love
nummy
you. We love you, Karma. Just a little bit more cake and then that's it. There you go, Karma. We love sweets. That's a good one, Eric. You gotta do that again so he looks up. Karma. Ooh, he's licking that plate. That's it. So this is all frosted. You ain't getting this. Karma, you like your cake? Karma, you like your cake? You like your cake, Karma? Karma, look. You like your cake?
You like your cake, Karma?
Oh, okay. We're done. Say thanks, Eric, for filming me. I'm going to be on YouTube. It's my birthday. What's the frosting? Here. Oh, don't be scared of it.
Don't be scared of it. You should be happy.
Look at this.
All right. We're done.
Karma's going like, why is that so loud?